What do we got here? Box from Texas Speed. We got some goodies in there for the frame off S10 build, but we're taking a quick break from the shop today. Yep, the Camaro. Here's one good thing about wintertime. You can watch your exhaust in the rear view camera. It's the little things. It's been quite a while since I've driven this car. Honestly, can't even remember the last time I did. I think it might have been when I took it out to the power plant to get some pictures. But you forget the features these things have until you jump back in. It's cold out today. 33 is probably generous, but we have our heated steering wheel on, we have our heated seats on, and we're just cruising here. So we got back from getting the Camaro inspected, and did it pass? Well, of course it did. It's pretty much a brand new car. It's got just under 6,000 miles on it, so yeah, it passed with flying colors. But we're back in the garage, and to be honest, I didn't get a whole lot done in here today. I just wasn't feeling very good. Every once in a while, you just gotta kind of stop and take a break. I know we don't have very much time, but especially on a project like this, you can get very overwhelmed. I mean, look at all the parts around. It doesn't look like a whole lot, and it's very easy at this point to just get totally overwhelmed and just give up. A lot of projects, people tear completely apart, kind of like this, get some work done, and then they just give up on it. We're not going to do that. This project has to get done, and it will get done. We did get a shipment in today. I think I showed that at the beginning of the video, from Texas Speed. They always give you stickers and key tags. We got a bunch of them by now, but of course we have the cam for this motor. We have the balancer bolt. Always put a new one in. If it's a GM one, they're a stretch steel bolt, so you definitely change that out. Got our gasket kit. These should be push rods. Yep, chromoly push rods. This is the spring kit. And what cam do we end up getting? This is a Texas Speed 224R cam. So it's 224 duration, 600 lift. And I think this one is a, pop it open here and see. Pull the cam card out. And yes, this is a 110 lobe separation. So it should be pretty rowdy in that 5.3. Should sound pretty good. I'm anxious to get it in there and see. Anxious to get this thing together. Definitely far enough to where we can fire it up. But I was really hoping to get that motor painted yesterday. It just did not happen. So we still have a little bit of time to do that. We're going to get it cleaned up a little bit more and get this thing sprayed, and then get the cam tossed in. Get the pan changed and get it setting back in the truck. Hopefully by then I get an answer on the brake lines, and we can get something going on with that too. Anyway, like I said, not a lot going on today. We got the Camaro inspected and got a couple parts. Other than that, just not a whole lot going on. Thanks for tuning in. What is this? This is different.